for sharing the text on the screen. Today's story is number 30th, page 82, on mastering an art. Whatever the art, it cannot be mastered unless the pupil is thrown into a ravine and made to crawl back up again and again. Kindness results in superficial understanding. Okay, so this is a very short passage here, and it's one of those sections that is helping us understand the wisdom aspect of Buddhism. So, in Buddhism, both these are important, wisdom as well as compassion. Somehow we hear more about the compassion part, not so much about wisdom. Especially maybe through many YouTube videos or whatever is out there. But actually, it's very important for our compassion to be backed up with wisdom, because otherwise, kindness alone, and if you notice, it's within quotation marks, quote unquote, kindness results in superficial understanding. So if we are only kind, well, in this case, it's about the teacher and student relationship. So if a teacher wants to teach the craft or everything that he or she knows to the pupil, just being kind enough is not sufficient. We need to first of all understand to what level do we want the pupil to grow, and to what level does the pupil want to grow. If the pupil doesn't care for maybe some deeper teachings or some harder challenges, then of course the teacher cannot offer those teachings or throw the pupil into a ravine and ask him to crawl up again and again. So this is, first we have to make an assessment of what is the level of the student. And once we understand that level, we have to guide them compassionately, step by step, using baby steps. So if we place the bar way high up there, so naturally the pupil cannot, feel the joy of overcoming one surmountable obstacle. So first, it has to be a little bit something that he or she can do. Once the pupil experiences the joy of overcoming a challenge, then they want to be challenged a little bit more next time, and a little bit more and more. That's the beauty of it, how the teacher can guide the pupil. So if the teacher doesn't have kindness or compassion, only wisdom, then maybe they place the bar way up there. So that's not good either. So wisdom alone or strictness alone is not good. We need to have kindness and compassion to put ourselves in the place of the pupil and understand what is their level at this moment. What level are they at? And once we make a correct assessment of that, then we can offer them these kind of incremental progress, little by little, baby steps, little by little, little by little. That's the key. And that's a lot of compassion right there, because we have to be so patient. We have to show so much consideration. First of all, we have to be able to put ourselves in their shoes and realize their level. So all of that nurturing and deliberation and contemplation on how can we guide this pupil to higher levels of learning and deeper levels of joy. So all of this nurturing and compassion is important. But at the same time, if we are too kind and we just don't have the guts to show them something more challenging, then the pupil cannot be all they can be. They cannot reach their fullest potential. As a result, such quote unquote kindness results in superficial understanding, and a lot of potential or talent don't get the chance to manifest. So good job everyone for being here, learning this art of mastery together. And yeah, Robert Greene has this book called Mastery too. I recommend that book also. Rick sometimes shares with us some of the content, which is, according to Robert Greene, it's very important to receive constructive criticism from people that we trust. That's the key for success for the teacher to be a good teacher. Before they can become a good teacher, they need to receive a lot of constructive criticism from their own teachers, their own senior Buddhist friends. And we need to cultivate such a attitude and receptivity to constructive criticism. Otherwise, we just remain in a small area of growth, and we are limiting our growth. So good job everyone for being here. Today is Tuesday. Have a beautiful Tuesday and hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Bita.